Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to follow a person on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the search icon on the bottom of the screen and search for a person on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now I'll just search for a person to follow. When you're on their account, tap on follow and you'll start following. Here you can see that this is a public profile, so anyone can follow. Now let's see how you can follow a private profile. Go back and let's search for a private account. Here is a private account. Now tap on follow and you will see that it is requested. If a person approves your follow request, only then you can follow that person. And that's how you can follow people on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.